back again. I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair throughout the week. This hair can stay throughout the week for me to do my school runs, for me to go out and everything, because my daughter she did still go to what they call oratorio. Okay, so that very place do drop iron in the morning, 8:30 in the morning. Then in the evening again, do go back to pick her up, and the wine of somewhere also and everything like going out. Okay, so I'm just trying to pin it down so that it can stay. Guess what? I think I need a standy, but I'm not a hairdresser. Okay, because I don't normally have passion for when it comes to things of hair and everything. I have passion for makeup, dressing, looking gorgeous. If you ask me to dress you, I will dress you. Last time that I went for a bridal makeup, I dressed her up. I was so nice and sweet. But when it comes to hair, I'm too lazy. So this very one, guys, is what I have watered inside. You can as well do it. You can buy it from the shop, from the supermarket, from anything, anywhere whereby it says things to spray hair like this. Okay, but this one that I'm using right now is just the one to clean your glass. So once it's empty, watch it very well. Use your soap to watch it, then put water inside to spray your hair. Very easy, and it's also good in spray your kitchen when cleaning. I did a video for it. In case the video, maybe the one of the kitchen cleaning comes after, you will also maybe you can remember. Okay, so you also learn something from that video. So guys, I'm gonna use my Revlon comb to comb it. Why I do normally use this comb, it's just for the hair to, you know, to go smooth and without any how am I gonna say it, without anything that will just I don't know how to do what to use inside. Just want everything to be free without tangle. And yeah, keep watching, guys. Please keep watching. This very cream here is from Africa. It's from Africa, and this very cream here is very nice on your natural hair. Any kind of hair you have, use it on the hair. It will make the hair coy, soft, and mostly when you have a misraised kids, like you are interracial family. Okay, so and yeah, that is it. Just use it to rub the hair and allow it to massage it with the hair. Allow the cream to go into the hair very well. And after saying, guys, I'm going to be using this very cream here. I have the new one upstairs. I can't go upstairs, so I'm going to use the one that I have inside. Use my hands a little bit to bring it out. As an African woman, you will not throw anything away, you know that can see now. So guys, keep watching. I love you guys. I'm going to bring out some of the cream with my hands, like to rub it. Then I'm going to use my Sunsilk Spray and Shine. This very one is very nice on your human hair. You need it. Add it to your wardrobe. Just add it to your wardrobe. You need it. And I've used more than 3 of it, so I can testify. It's very nice. And it was I saw it on one of our Italian hairstylists, and that is how I get to know this very product, and it's very nice. So guys, that is it. A big stylist for that matter, styling the hair, the model hair. So guys, and the next thing is to spread the water back again so that the cream will go inside very well, and at the same time, and I'm using my hands to raise the hair so that everything that I'm spraying will just go inside. Nothing is left out. You know what that means? So everything must be wet. Everything must be, you know, well conditioned. Okay, so that cream also is just like a condition, the one of for natural hair. Okay, so I'm gonna brush it right away. Keep watching as I brush it. You can use tiny comb, but using this kind of comb is very nice. You can see the way the coils is coming out. The thing is just so beautiful. Okay, so sorry for that. The hair is not staying. Keep watching. I love you. I'm going to be using this mousse, and this mousse is from Italian shop, okay, from the supermarket, superstore, anywhere they says anything concerning hair, even where they shop food, they have it, okay. So I'm gonna use this one. Is Italian product. It's very, very nice, but I'm using the one number 5 volume, which is a little bit too high, but I love it. It's okay. It's just for you to use it a little bit, then spray water. Just follow the footstep of this video. Believe me, you will enjoy it. You guys know your baby girl, she won't bring what is not nice, she will always bring the best. I love you all. Keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe as you watch, okay. So I'm going to apply it, then use my comb to press it down, and at the same time I'm going to spray my Got2b gel, Got2b spray, just to fix it the more, okay. You guys know Got2b spray, right? Okay, so this very glue here, I'm going to use it to spray it so that it will fix the gel, it will fix the cream, and it will fix the mousse, okay, throughout the week. I'm gonna lock the hair with this spray, Got2b spray. So I'm done. So you rock it throughout the week, and it will stay in place. You know what that means? It will stay in perfect place. Mwah. Keep watching. I love you. I'm going to be using this lacquer, okay. It's called lacquer, to fix the hair, just to lock it the more, okay. So after all, whenever you want to style your hair, all stylists, they do use this very one to lock the hair, okay. It's very nice. You can get it from the supermarket, okay. Any supermarket you can get it from, okay. I'm not selling it. This video is not sponsored. I'm just doing it for you guys, okay. I'm happy you enjoyed the video. In case you did not enjoy it, I'm so sorry. I believe you enjoyed and you learned something new about it, how to style your hair, how to style your human hair. I love you. Keep watching. Mwah. Okay guys, that is it. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy watching it. Just manage the background, okay? I'm outside the place I can normally do it, so that Serena can allow me to do it. Samuel is not around, Sophia is not around, you understand? So I need to do it in a place where she can play and do everything. So thank you for watching this video, and at the same time, in case you enjoyed it, don't forget to give thumbs up. Giving thumbs up is very free, guys. Thumbs up is free, and thumbs up is free, so you can give a big like in case you like it. And this hair, the way I started, I can stay for 1 week, nothing to do with the hair. The hair will just be there, very nice. In case you want to keep it, you can just remove it, place it whereby you can hang it, or better still, put it in a bag whereby you can protect it. It's very nice, okay? So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you want to see to more, you can add more to it. The reason why I had gel and spraying and everything, just to fix the coils so that I can use it throughout the week. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. In case you enjoy watching it, smash the like and subscribe, please. Thank you for watching. Remember that Bianca Beletta, she loves you. Mwah.